good about yourself. Appreciating your
part of this kind of event as such?
It's really cool. It's my first time to one of the annual functions of FHM, and I love the magazine. I love the covers and the pictures that they come up with, and even the content. So it's nice to be part of one of the sexiest magazines in our country.
And this is an award function given to the sexiest woman. What does the word sexy means to you as such?
For me, sexy just means being comfortable and feeling good about yourself. Appreciating your hard work, especially when you work out on your body. So yeah, that's a bit of sexy, but it's how you take it. I think you can be sexy, but at it with a little bit of class, a little bit of edge, like I've gone today, and style it up yourself.
And do you think sexy women are more appealing to the men community as far as center of attraction is concerned?
No, not necessarily. I think I'd love to ask the men that, but I think men like women with a good personality and someone who can speak well and who can carry herself off confidently. So you don't necessarily just have to be sexy. I think pretty, cute, quirky, edgy. Yeah, ask the men though.
And when it comes to acting as a glamour industry, do you think if there is a woman who is have good sex appeal, she can go ahead as far as a woman who doesn't have a sex appeal?
Just have appeal, yeah. Sex appeal या कोई भी appeal have. You need to be appealing to the audience.
Okay.
You have to have something about you that's enticing. But we have a lot of women who are very appealing in their own way, in their own unique way. So yeah, and sex appeal is definitely, it's something. Everyone's sex appeal is different. It's how you.
And how far has the life changed after Pagli as such?
It's actually very overwhelming. People have started recognizing me, and it's. I think I get more excited when they come to me and want to take a picture. I think I get more excited to take a picture with them. But it's very overwhelming. The response, especially for performance, has been very heartfelt and very, very overwhelming. I just hope that I go ahead and entertain people in ways that they in more interesting ways, and do movies and keep surprising them.
And are you working on any future projects as such right now?
I'm reading right now a couple of scripts, but not locked any as yet. But soon, yes, you will know soon what's my next project.
Yeah.